super simple, super clean, super dope. Daily paper usually comes in like these just clean bags, just very clean bags over here. Yeah, it's a high fashion type of brand. I just like it because I think it's like rooted in like it's like black culture. It's like supporting black businesses. It's like a black business. Every model that I see is like black, and I just really like the quality of their clothing, so I buy it. These pants were like 60 bucks. Originally 100 something. But yeah, I got it on sale. Yeah, I got green cargo pants, super clean. And also got a top. These are just like their cheap clothing. I'm not one to spend like $200-300 on a piece of like a shirt or something. I'm not doing that. But yeah, sorry for the noise in the background. I'm outside, and you know, super clean, super simple. Simple quick review, overview about Daily Paper. Super dope brand. For some reason I thought these, like the shirts that I bought and the pants that I bought here, were gonna be slightly thicker. You know, that really heavy type of material that they use for like really high premium clothes. This is like sort of in the middle, in between. But I thought it was gonna be one of the, like, you know, the top up there. But it's not too heavy, and it seems like the color will fade like really quickly. But we'll see what's up. I'll update the comment section like in a year or something. You know, I don't really go out much, so like I don't even know why I buy clothes really. But yeah, I'll update the comment section in like a year or something. Yeah, super dope brand. Look at the website. I'll link it down below. The cargo pants they're not even that thick, to be honest. They're like I don't know, they're pretty thin in my opinion. They look cool, but I thought they were gonna be like heavier. But yeah, whatever. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I don't know, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. I'll catch you on another one. Have a great rest of your day.
Guys, I'm rolling, guys. We're rolling, guys.
Like and subscribe. 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 Like and subscribe.
Yep, this is the outfit right now.